Last night, Cronos coin was absolutely exploding, and I tweeted it out celebrating the victory for all CRO coin holders. And today we came down just a little bit from the recent pump that we had overnight. Now, what comes next for the CRO coin and the crypto.com exchange for the future? We're going to talk about that a little bit in this video. We're going to talk about the exchange and the chain, because one thing you have to realize is Cronos chain is very new in the scheme of things when it comes to cryptocurrency since it's been around and since the inception of DeFi. The DeFi market is breaking out right now, and it could be hinting of very bullish things to come for crypto.com's Cronos coin. Let's talk about it in this one, guys. Welcome back to the Crypto Report. I'm Crypto Kip. We're doing live streams for you guys every single weekday, and shorts and long form videos, because we want to keep you guys updated with everything going on in crypto. If you like the content, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel. Let's get right into it. Welcome to the Crypto Report. I'm Crypto Kip, and it is good to be doing another video for you guys. Bitcoin was at $50,000 last night, currently at $49,000. If you look at the top gainers on the day, you will not see Cronos up here right now. You'll actually see some Bitcoin related plays. We've been talking about stacks and how that was a great buying opportunity. And if you look here, up 42%. We're making some great calls, guys. But in this video, I want to talk to you guys a little bit about Cronos specifically, because it is currently sitting at rank number 42, and people want to know, what comes next for Cronos. It's up 10% over the last 7 days, which is pretty good. But again, look at all the coins around this. 13%, 16%. Granted, it went down a little bit less. It's pretty sturdy right now, around the 42 rank and around 8 or 9 cents right now. But I do believe there's more upside coming. Now, yesterday, we saw this thing have some God candles. It was moving up, guys. 5.27% gains. I was laying in bed. I was looking at, just crypto, and all of a sudden, boom, saw this thing pop out. So I all of a sudden tweeted out to the Crow fam, just celebrating the fact that this thing was moving. And look at how many retweets we got. 28 retweets, 134 likes. I'm a very small Twitter account, guys. I'm not a big account, only 2,437 followers. That's a big engagement for a relatively small account. This shows you how big the Crow fam and the community supporting the Cronos coin is. It is very strong, which is why we talk about it a lot, because we believe that community is very important for tokens. The fact that the Cronos chain, which is one of the big things here, one of the big trends in crypto right now is DeFi. People are building on Bitcoin DeFi for the very first time. I'm very bullish on that. That's why we had the stacks play. Obviously, Ethereum is the biggest player when it comes to the DeFi markets. But what I want to highlight for you guys is this. If you look at the overall chart for the total value locked in crypto decentralized finance applications, what you'll see is right now we are actually making highs that we haven't seen since August of 2022. It has been well over a year, almost 2 years since we've seen these things moving, about a year and a half since we've seen DeFi up to this value. What does that mean for the Cronos coin holders? Well, it means, guys, that as DeFi continues to break out, you can continue to expect to see some other competing chains, play a role in this space. As more money's flowing into DeFi and people are exploring DeFi more, and this chart starts to break out, then these top chains are going to continue to get more volume. Ethereum is number 1. Binance Smart Chain is number 3. We see a lot of these plays. Everybody talks about Solana. It seems, if you can see Bitcoin, actually, that is amazing. I predicted this. Bitcoin DeFi is now just jumped up just very recently up to rank number 6, something we called up and expected. Now, Cronos is right now at rank number 15. Now, this thing was higher, guys, but there has been no hype cycle for the Cronos chain. What do I mean by that? This coin launched in November of 2021. That is the peak of the last bull market. Cronos launched and the overall market essentially died. And now we're coming back. When I say died, I mean went to lows. Bitcoin at 15K. Cronos coin went down to 4 cents, and now it's back up to 9 cents. We were telling you guys the entire time that Cronos at 5 cents gives you a 100x gain opportunity. I still believe that. That is the case. I believe we could have a $2 to $5 curl in this bull cycle. I want to talk to you guys a little bit about more of that in a second, but as total value continues to climb in crypto, I expect not just Cronos, but Cardano, Base, Manta, all these plays, any of the good ones, to gain more attraction, more total value locked up. And I expect as more value comes into these ecosystems, more people to interact with some of the applications within these chains. Here's some of the applications within the Cronos chain that I'm bullish on as well, but not really bullish on those until the Cronos chain itself starts pumping, which may be coming potentially very soon. Recently, there was a new product launched on crypto.com, the Orbi network, decentralized stablecoin lending protocol with 0% interest. Kind of interesting. I'm speculating there may be an airdrop coming soon. This, as the total value of DeFi and chains are climbing right now, this could bring more attention to Cronos, as well as the hype from the large community that is the Crow fam. Every little bit of momentum counts. We also see the crypto.com exchange being in the top 10 of exchanges across the globe when it comes to clean assets and asset transparency for these exchanges, which has been increasingly more important, especially ever since the FTX collapse. It shows that crypto.com is in a very good position for this bull cycle. And that I didn't even mention, guys, the amount of marketing that they do, the amount of licenses this exchange has. If you don't know that by now, you haven't been watching the channel and you don't understand why crypto.com is likely going to be a very successful crypto company. They bought the Staples Center. It's now the crypto.com arena. They hosted the Grammys there. The biggest teams in the world play. The Los Angeles Lakers play there. So many other people play there. You also have the F1 racing, the FIFA World Cup partnership that they had. They still have all those partnerships in place that they had through an entire bear market. We see things head in the right direction for this company. I believe that the chain is going to receive a lot more volume in their DeFi ecosystem because the advertising for crypto.com, here's the theory, guys. As crypto.com continues to advertise, right? Continues to inform people, hey, cryptocurrency is big. You want to enter crypto? Well, sign up for crypto.com. And people start using crypto.com. A natural next step is seeing that crypto.com has a DeFi app too. And what crypto.com's done a fantastic job of outside of marketing is once they get people in the app, they've got the Visa cards, which are very cool, where you can actually convert your cryptocurrencies as a spendable Visa debit card, which is very, very cool. They have also got this DeFi app, and they made it so easy for you to move from your bank account into the crypto.com app and from the crypto.com app to your DeFi wallet to interact with not just things on Cronos, but you can interact with things in like Jupiter on Solana. You can act with Arbitrum. You can act with so many different chains. They've got bridges on there. It is an excellent piece of technology that, frankly, I just think a lot of people are missing. But again, when this marketing kicks into play, I think people are going to get more bullish on Cronos. When you look at this ecosystem, there's a lot going on that nobody's aware of yet. And again, as this overall market cap of DeFi starts to climb, as crypto continues to go parabolic, then I think Cronos chain and a lot of other chains are going to have a lot of upside, and I'm very excited about it. One thing I've been talking about a lot on this channel is, can CROcoin achieve the previous market cap of Binance? Well, if it does, there's your $4 price target for crypto.com. Now, if you bought the Cronos token when we were talking about this thing during the bear market at 4 cents, let's just say you bought it at 5 cents. Well, if this thing goes to $4, guys, well, then you congratulate $4.17 and you bought it at 4 cents. Well, congratulations, guys. You could get 100x on your money. If you bought it at 4 cents and it goes to $4, that's 100x. Something we've been talking about. Crypto's starting to get exciting again. If you look at what we've been talking about this. Here's a video I did 3 months ago. At that point, I think CRO was probably right around the same price, but we did several other videos during the bear market talking about how $5 CRO's on the table, 100x opportunity. It's easily a 20x opportunity in my mind, easily a 50x opportunity in my mind. Now, from these price levels, unless you're getting in low, guys, as this thing starts to go higher, honestly, it has less X potential because it's just harder. The higher the market cap something gets, the harder it is for it to gain more market cap. That's just how it is. That's why when people are looking for 100x, 1000x plays, they're looking at coins that are only a couple $1 million market cap. Cronos has a couple $1 billion market cap, but again, when you compare it to its competitor in the space, Binance in the previous bull market got up to $110 billion. I believe that Cronos could achieve that. Doesn't have to achieve that in this next bull cycle. $2 to $5 is my range. It could be 2, it could be 5. I can't possibly predict exactly what it's going to be, but when I do some math, these are kind of the numbers that I'm starting to expect. I really do believe that not only are we going to crush $1, but we could see a $2 to $5 CRO. And the fact that crypto.com has so much marketing and DeFi is getting more exciting and the Cronos chain is brand new, we might see something very exciting, kind of like we saw for Binance in the last bull cycle. Binance exploded once it launched the Binance chain. They got to capitalize on that with the price appreciation on their token because the chain was very active in the middle of a bull cycle, and Cronos is going to have that now for the very first time. Very exciting price action last night, guys. I am continuing to be patient with this, though, because I do believe that CRO right now still needs to bottom versus his Bitcoin pairings. And then I think we might see 1,000% rally for CRO coin versus Bitcoin, maybe bringing us to that $2 to $5 range. Not doing financial advice here, guys, just giving you my thoughts on the market and what we see coming next. Just as a speculator, we started this channel with the intention of educating people and just talking about the interesting things that we see in this crypto market, and we're going to keep the content coming to you guys. If you like this content, you want to become a member on our channel, get access to our private Discord, you can do so in the link in the description down below. If you want to take advantage of the volatility in crypto, you can sign up for Femex, an excellent leverage trading platform to take advantage of some of the moves that might be on your radar when it comes to the price action on Bitcoin. A lot of upside coming in this bull cycle, but a lot of short-term volatility, from day to day. So please be cautious with that. But there's free money when you sign up for Femex as well, guys. That's all I got for you in this one. We're coming with another live stream tomorrow. I'll see you in the next one, guys. Don't forget to DCA HODL. And of course, I'll see you next time. 2 videos for you right here if you want to check them out. Peace, y'all.